Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing well. Today is 31st of July 2019 and this analysis is brought to you by GTC Markets. And if you guys love our analysis and our services, do visit our FB page, like it and share it. And our video analysis page for the YouTube, that is also accessible. You must, or I request you that you must like it as well. Okay, I'll start with the analysis for today, and here we'll start with the dollar yen and see what options do we have. In the dollar yen, this is the daily chart over here, and something important that I found in the dollar yen chart is the morning star evening star formation. You look at this. This is the morning star evening star formation, morning star evening star formation, morning star evening star formation. Basically, this is evening stars that's leading the market towards the downside. And guys, I am extremely sorry if you have some voice distortions. I have gone through a root canal procedure. I am unable to speak properly. Okay, this is some good supply area over here. See, good supply area over here. What happens now? The market is waiting for the FOMC news announcement, and I'll be saying you guys that it was previously announced a 50 basis points rate cut, but then it was revised to 25 basis points rate cut. What happens now if we have something more than expected, more than 25 basis points, then we will expect dollar to go weaker and weaker and weaker. And if the dollar has gone weaker, we will expect the market to respect this supply area and come towards the downside. On the other hand, if the dollar gets stronger, then what we can do is we can draw our fibs from here. And this is our maximum limit, this one. A break above this limit will lead the pair towards the upside. Okay, and on the other hand, if you want to come into a selling position, that is what you can do right now. Like once you have broken this level over here, and fundamentally if the market is dollar has got weaker, then you can come into a selling position just like somewhere over here in this zone below this 50%. Below the 50%, you can come into selling, and confirmed sell entries or breakouts will be below this level. Okay, this was for the dollar yen, and now I'll move towards the euro CC and see what do we have over there. Okay, in the euro CC, guys, you can see that this is the motherboard and sidebar formation over here. See, when there is a motherboard and sidebar formation breakout, market moves towards that direction, like this one, down, okay, down. This was towards the upside, market has gone up. This is towards the downside, market has broken downwards. And now we had this euro CC formation over here that has broken towards the downside, and now market is retesting this zone. Can you see this? Market is retesting zone, and now the pair is already in a downward movement. Pair is already in the downward movement, so any good scenario of selling will be good. And how we will do that? If we can draw our fibs from here, somewhere over here, let me go into the H4. Okay, this place. See this? I'll have drawn my fibs from here till here. What I have to do, if I get a breakout above this level from here, I'll be a buyer. Or on the other hand, if I get a break below this level, or best is to wait for the break of this level from here, then I'll be a good seller, because I know that the fundamentally CC is more stronger than the euro, and it will be already, you know, that concept, support become resistance and resistance becomes support. That concept will also be in action. So I would prefer selling rather than going into buying zone. And I'll move towards the gold and see what options do we have in gold. As you can see, gold has been in a motherbar and sidebar formation from the daily chart. This is the daily one, and motherbar and sidebar formation from the weekly chart. Okay, I'll start with the daily one. I'll go into H4 and see what options do we have here. Let me zoom in. Okay, this was the motherbar and sidebar formation, clumsy data, that's why I use weekly one as well. Come into weekly, you can see this is the weekly motherbar and sidebar, and some same thing over here. The pair that you can imagine that this pair has been in range since this weekly mother bar formation. You can see 28th of July, and now it's almost a month the pair has been in range. Okay, so what we can do now, there is something important I need you guys to know, that if you come over here, insert indicators, trend, custom RSI, you can see that this pair has been in a divergence. Look at this, pair is going upwards, but the market is going towards the downward direction. Okay, so the pair has formed a divergence, and if there is a downward movement, then it will go down. Okay, chaos. Okay, now for the pound yen, let's move towards the pound yen and see. We have already got a break below the weekly mother bar and sidebar. Let's come over here and come over here. See this sudden movement yesterday from the pound yen was due to this weekly mother bar and sidebar formation, breakout towards the low side, and this was in formation since 15th to 26th. Okay, like 10 days formation, and then we got a good downward momentum. Okay, how do we enter? I'll come into H1. How do we enter? I'll start with the ranges. For ranges, we know that we are keeping on breaking our lows, so the better option will be come into selling position from here, from this selling area over here. Okay, once you are in this area, look for your break below, close below candle. Okay, and look for your momentum, look for your VSA, look for any strategy that allows you to go into selling position. Okay, if you are a counter trend trader, then it is better off to buy somewhere over here. Okay, this was for the pound yen. I have to move towards the euro USD. Look at this on the daily chart. It's in a mother bar and sidebar formation. Let's have a look. Let me remove all of this. I hope you guys can see this. It's in a mother bar and sidebar formation on a daily chart. Again, see this one. A break below would lead this pair towards a good downward momentum. Okay, but if I come towards weekly, you can see this pair has already broken towards the low side, and then it has got a good retest, and now it's testing the what is it testing? 1 second, where is 200? Okay, this is the 200 period moving average. I don't know, someone's calling me. 1 second. Okay, if it has got a good test over here, a break below this level will lead the market towards further downward momentum. Okay, and the last one is, no, it's done for now. Thank you. This was the analysis for today from GTC Markets. I hope you guys have loved it, and if you guys need any help, do let us know. Thank you.